Did you know that you can download your Airbnb data? Let me show you how to actually request this so that you can easily download the data that you need. Click the three lines on the upper right hand side in your Airbnb account and go to your account settings. On the left hand side, click on privacy and then scroll down towards the bottom under the data privacy section. Here you'll find the option request my personal data. Click on that, guys, and here you want to go ahead and fill in all the details. So you can choose your country or region. I'm going to just choose something right here, and you can choose how you want to download the format. So you can choose that you want it in JSON, Excel, and even HTML. I would recommend choose, for example, Excel, so that it's widely used. You can easily open this if you have Microsoft Office on your computer, and if you have Excel there, you can quickly read that, right? And once you do that, you can choose why you're requesting a copy of your data. You can choose for whatever reason you want and just basically select request my data, right? So once you click on request data, you will be able to receive your data here. And here, as you can see, it shows right now, let us know it's really you. You can go ahead and you can enter whatever information you receive in your email. So you receive a code, head over to your email, guys, and you should receive a code within your email, and you'll just basically copy that code and put it in. So look for the email that you receive from Airbnb. Most likely that could be under your updates, and you'll find the code. As you can see, this is the code. I'm going to copy the code from here, head back over to Airbnb and paste in that code, guys. And once you enter the code, that's it. So as you can see now, the process is this: they prepare the file for you, and then once the file is ready, you'll be able to receive the data, right? And that's all that you have to do. Once the file is ready, guys, you'll have 7 days to actually download the file. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Now, you may be wondering where you will get access to the file. Most likely you get access to the file to your email, and you should receive some email update. As you can see, it says we will create a file with your personal data and email you at your email address. So you'll receive an email directly from Airbnb with your data so that you can quickly download it. And that's all there is to it, guys.